Hi, this is Nimrit Kaur and you're watching me on Filmy Mantra.
If you were an emoji today, which one would you be?
Which one would I be?
What is that one royal thing you have?
What is the one royal thing? I think my cats. जैसे अपने आप को कैरी करती हैं और जैसे ट्रीट करती हैं और जैसे अपने आप को इतना कूल समझती हैं, उनसे ज़्यादा रॉयल कुछ है ही नहीं मेरी ज़िंदगी में.
Is there any societal pressure on you?
सोसाइटी क्या है, कहाँ एग्जिस्ट करती है, मैंने तो नहीं देखी. कैन आई टच एंड फील सोसाइटी? नो, आई कांट. Does it make a difference to my day-to-day life? No, it does not. I live alone. I don't live with my family here. And I have to deal with a lot of things on a daily basis. Well, I am a citizen of this country. I'm a product of the army. And I feel like as a country, as a nation, we should all come together in the best way possible. All we want is eradication of terrorism.
Right.
You know, we are not a country that propagates violence or war. But there is no place for terrorism in our country.
Hello, this is Anusha Pujari and you're watching Filmy Mantra. Today I have with me joining is your girl Nimrit Kaur. Nimrit, welcome to Filmy Mantra. I absolutely love your look and your gajra, like I said. Tell me, how royal are you feeling now after the release of such a royal series?
Oh gosh. Well, you know, the love of the audience and their feedback and their appreciation, that makes me feel so grateful and royal and all of those good things. So I'm very, very happy.
ये जो आपका कैरेक्टर है, इसके पहले आई डोंट थिंक समथिंग दिस डिमांडिंग आया है आपके वे में. कितना कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर जाना पड़ा आपको फॉर दिस रोल?
पूरी तरह एक्चुअली, बिकॉज क्या है ना, कोई रेफरेंस पॉइंट नहीं है. मैं किसी रॉयल फैमिली से ताल्लुक़ नहीं रखती, मैं जानती नहीं हूँ किसी को जो ऐसी रॉयल फैमिली से हैं. तो एक बिल्कुल ही क्लीन स्लेट थी, एक नया एनवायरनमेंट था, नए लोग, नया एनवायरनमेंट, नए किरदार, और इतना डीप डाइव करना था एक ऐसी दुनिया में जो बाहर से देखने में बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है बट अंदर से उतनी ही डैमेज और उतनी ही फ्रैजाइल है. तो वो काफ़ी मुझे घबराहट भी थी कि मैं कैसे कर पाऊँगी, लेकिन वो होते होते हो ही गया.
ट्रू. एंड इस रोल में एक ऑरा है, एक खुद का आइडेंटिटी है. मुझे बताइए, आपको इस रोल में आपसे कितनी सिमिलैरिटी दिखी? ऐसा लगा कि यार ये तो मैं ही हूँ?
जब मुझे एक बड़ी बहन होने की रिमाइंडर्स आते थे ना, तो तब मुझे डेफिनेटली इस रोल से सिमिलैरिटीज़ लगती थी. लेकिन मैं अदरवाइज़ मैं नहीं कह सकती, क्योंकि इंद्रानी जो है एज अ कैरेक्टर बहुत ही घुटी और सफोकेटेड हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा इन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में प्रॉब्लम्स देखी हैं, लेकिन सामने कुछ दिखा नहीं पाती. तो एक वो बर्डन है इनकी लाइफ में, और एक तरह से एक वो वेट है, एक वज़न है इनके दिमाग और दिल पर. और आगे जाके फिर एक पावर स्ट्रगल है, पावर प्ले है, और क्लाइमैक्स तक आते आते जो हो जाता है वो तो मतलब बिल्कुल ही एक मतलब ना ही किसी के साथ हो तो अच्छा है. इनकी जर्नी में जो उतार चढ़ाव हैं वो बहुत 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 ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं. तो मैंने अपनी तरफ से बस कोशिश करी कि एज एन एक्टर मैं उसमें घुस पाऊँ और पूरी तरह उसको एक संजीदगी से और एक आई थिंक डिग्निटी से निभा पाऊँ. कॉमन पॉइंट सिर्फ एल्डर सिस्टर वाला और कुछ नहीं.
वहाँ से यू कैन कनेक्ट टू हर मोर. तो इस सीरीज में दिस रॉयलनेस, दिस पावर, दिस स्ट्रेंथ, व्हाट इज दैट वन रॉयल थिंग यू हैव?
व्हाट इज द वन रॉयल थिंग? आई थिंक माय कैट्स. मेरी बिल्लियाँ बहुत रॉयल हैं. वो जैसे अपने आप को कैरी करती हैं और जैसे ट्रीट करती हैं और जैसे अपने आप को इतना कूल समझती हैं, उनसे ज़्यादा रॉयल कुछ है ही नहीं मेरी ज़िंदगी में.
एंड आई आल्सो फील फिटनेस इज आल्सो रॉयल फॉर यू. ये क्या मंत्र है आपका फिटनेस का?
देखिए क्या है ना कि फिटनेस अप एंड डाउन हो जाती है, बिकॉज लाइफ इज़ लाइफ. कई बारी रूटीन्स अलाउ नहीं करते, कई बारी और चीज़ें होती हैं. वुमेन गो थ्रू सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन देयर लाइव्स एंड different phases hormonally, and cortisol buildup happens and all kinds of things happen. But I like to do some kind of a physical activity in the day, whether it's a walk or it's a functional training workout. मैं हफ्ते में 4 दिन तो मिनिमम कुछ ना कुछ करती ही हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक शरीर की जो एक रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको हमें कभी इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज़ ऑल वी हैव एज एक्टर्स. I don't have an office or I don't have a factory. this is everything for me, you know, so I have to look after that, and I have to make sure that I do justice to it no matter what.
And you would really do it as well. These many works you have done till now, tell me how difficult it is still to reinvent yourself with every single project, to show something new to the audience.
It is difficult if the scripts don't come to me, but so far I've been very fortunate that I have had the opportunity to you know, depict interesting roles and to be actually, you know, out there with things that I want to portray on screen, and I would like to watch also. But जब अगर scripts आनी बंद हो जाएंगी या ऐसा कुछ होगा कि you know मुझे वैसे parts नहीं मिल रहे जो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे interesting लग रहे हैं, तब शायद मुश्किल आएगी, लेकिन I hope वैसा दिन आए ना.
Yes, and series में there's a fight for throne, right? So how do you look at power उस way में भी, and is there any societal pressure on you?
No, I don't take any pressures, you know. I honestly don't believe that we should take any stress or any pressure beyond what life throws at us anyway. You know, I live alone. I don't live with my family here. And I have to deal with a lot of things on a daily basis, just like many of us out here. And I don't believe that I want to complicate my life or make things more difficult for myself by taking on additional pressures which are actually just notional, you know. Society क्या है, कहाँ exist करती है, मैंने तो नहीं देखी. Can I touch and feel society? No, I can't. Does it make a difference to my day-to-day life? No, it does not. What makes a difference to my life in a day-to-day way is what I care about and I truly am concerned about. अगर कोई चीज़ परेशान करती है, तो I speak to my friends, I speak to my loved ones, family, and I try to, you know, voice it out so that it doesn't stay inside me. And then I just move along and, you know, wake up the next day and watch my cats being royal.
Yeah, the royal cats. You know, you mentioned your family, your loved ones. Tell me, how do you look at love? What is your way of viewing that?
I believe that love can be experienced in every form, in every way, wherever you go, if you just pay attention to the smallest of things in life. I experience love when I look at, you know, flowers that have bloomed, or when I see a beautiful view up in the Himalayas when I'm trekking, or if I see a bird I've never seen, or, you know, just things that touch me without any explanation. Sometimes, you know, I see love in my plants in my house, in my cats. I feel like love exists absolutely everywhere. You just have to be open to experiencing it, and you can experience it no matter what the situation, where you are. So love, just like anything else, can't be boxed, I think. It can't and shouldn't be put in a box.
Right. And every single day, utho, kaam karo, it's really taxing. What is your way of healing things? What is your therapy?
Oh, I love to go to the mountains. I just said that I love hiking, trekking. I love going up into the Himalayas or Sahyadris for that matter. मुझे बहुत पसंद है monsoons में Sahyadris में trekking करना, hiking करना. I'm a big nature lover. If nothing else, I'll find the closest possible spot and go into you know, a forest or just go for a walk out in the wild. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So I rejuvenate and recharge myself like that.
Yes, and amid all this calmness, if we look from the broader perspective, India is facing a lot currently. And what is just your view on that?
Well, I am a citizen of this country. I'm a product of the army, and I feel like as a country, as a nation, we should all come together in the best way possible, give all our love, energy, prayers and strength to our armed forces. Everyone must come together and support every action being taken by the government, because all we want is eradication of terrorism.
Right.
You know, we are not a country that propagates violence or war, but there is no place for terrorism in our country, and all of us should stand together for that.
True, and this is the first time I'm seeing every Indian standing together.
Absolutely,
and, you know, fighting
right.
against something.
Absolutely right.
Yes, before going, I just have one segment for you called If You. I'll give you a few situations and you have to tell me if you were in that situation, what would you do? So the first is, if you were an emoji today, which one would you be?
Which one would I be?
If you had to give up on your name and pick a new one, what would it be?
Rani Indrani Rai Singh.
Yeah.
I love it.
If you had a twin in Bollywood, who do you think would be?
If I had a twin in Bollywood,
Twin.
I don't know. You tell me. I don't know who could be my twin.
Raveena Tandon?
Oh wow, that's
I
a
feel
huge
so.
compliment for me. I hope she thinks it's a compliment for her, but I'll take it any day. My God, thank you.
If you could remove any emotion, what would it be?
Fear.
Fear.
Yes, I don't want to be fearful.
Yes.
Yes.
And I also feel anxiety and something like that.
Fear can become anxiety, can become anything. You know,
Right.
fear can become nervousness. Fear. I just don't want to be fearful.
Yes. The last question is, if you could relive any moment in your life, what would it be?
Relive.
Relive.
I would love to relive the release of the Lunchbox at the Cannes Film Festival.
Yes.
Very
What was
precious.
the feeling at that time when you were there?
Magic. It was magic. It was a tsunami of love. और मुझे खुद भी समझ नहीं आया एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है. मुझे धीरे धीरे बाद में टाइम के बाद में समझ में आया कि ओ माय गॉड ये चल रहा था वहाँ पर. It was love and it was recognition, validation, and the biggest gift life has given me.
Yes. And thank you so much, Nimrat, for joining.
Such a
All
pleasure.
the very best for
Thank
the
you.
series. You are already killing it.
Thank you. I'm cooling it.
Thank you so much.
Please watch Cool only on Jio Hotstar. That's my humble and you know, my biggest request to everybody. Please watch it and tell us what you think. Jio Hotstar पे Cool देखिए, बिल्कुल देखिए.